Alright, so we're in this, or we're coming up to this building. I believe it's the math building. We're gonna try not to get ran over by this Tesla here. But anyway, this building, for those of you who don't know, has something very interesting. Well, as far as I'm aware. Could be modernized, but let's hope not. But anyway, I'm gonna go on in and see. Alright, so yeah, this is the math building. And that should be the elevator up there. It's original. Oh my gosh. Wow. It's original. That's right. It's a Dover Vanity. Wow. All original. Perfect. Look at that. Look at that. It's Dover Vanity. There is still an original Dover Vanity left in Colorado. Denver Airport may have been modded, but not this. This is still alive and well. Good old Dover DMC. Anyway, glad to see this is alive and well. And that's it.